Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to adjust a product in the ordering process. When you are in an order, tap on the information of an item to open the respective functions. You now have several functions, adjusting the amount of the item, discounting it, or completely remove it, to choose from. Tap on the respective function you want to execute. By tapping on the name of the item, you open the functions regarding the item itself. You now have several functions to choose from. By tapping on Note, you can add a remark to the item that will then be printed on the ticket. A pop-up will then appear. Enter the remark into the corresponding text field and confirm the note by tapping on OK. If the item you selected is set to a course in the back office, you can tap on Change to change the course of it. A pop-up will then appear with a list of the available courses. Select the preferred course by setting the respective check mark and tap on OK to confirm the change. By tapping on Extra, you can add predefined options of the item. Note: a pop-up window with the options is then displayed. To mix items together, tap on Mix Articles. Then simply select another article. It will be then added to the existing item. For example, you have an octopus and then opened the functions for the corresponding item and mixed it with the lobster soup. Now those items are displayed as one item. Note: the price of the additional item will be added accordingly. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to adjust a product in the ordering process.